Welcome to our channel, where we discuss everything home and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on many minds lately: professional cleaning services. Are they really worth it? Let's find out. Before we begin, let's understand what exactly professional cleaning services entail. These are companies that specialize in cleaning homes or offices. They have trained staff, professional equipment, and the knowledge to clean effectively and efficiently. Now let's talk about cost. Many people believe that hiring a professional cleaning service is expensive. However, when you factor in the time you save, the high-quality cleaning products they use, and the level of cleanliness they achieve, the cost might seem more reasonable. Next, let's discuss the convenience factor. With our busy lives, finding the time to clean can be a challenge. Professional cleaning services can take this task off your hands, allowing you to focus on other important tasks, or simply relax and enjoy your free time. Lastly, let's consider the health benefits. A clean environment is essential for good health. Professional cleaning services can help reduce allergens, bacteria, and other harmful substances in your home or office. In conclusion, while professional cleaning services might seem like a luxury, they can actually be a wise investment. They save you time, provide a high level of cleanliness, and can contribute to a healthier environment. So, are they worth it? We'll let you decide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.